I know y'all seen a bunch of these homeowner videos, but I'm about to let you in a little secret. Come on, man. This is water damage right here. The bank sees this, they're not gonna lend on that. Now, this kitchen's just a little bit of structural damages, right? The bank comes in and sees this, probably not gonna loan on it, they're gonna ask you to fix it. And if you don't, then you can call a guy like me. All right, so now let's take a look at upstairs. As you can see, faulty stairs already. Come on, man, see the rest. See this right here? That's water damage from the roof. No good. Foundational issues. The wall is not even attached to the house. Bank comes and sees this with the appraiser, not getting a loan on the house, unfortunately. It costs a lot to get this fixed. It's crazy. Some more water damage. So now you pretty much see a property that's pretty much non-mortgageable. If you have any property that looks like this, or if you're looking for an easy way out, cash route, give us a call. Contact information is below.